Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, this is Atatash. We make videos on DIY, thrift flips, home decor and art. So, if you are into those kind of video, press subscribe. For today's video, I will show you how I made this sea wave style of resin art. It took me a long time to make this video because it didn't turn out quite how I like, so I need to do multiple try. If you haven't yet, go and check my previous video where I share the do and don'ts and the step-by-step of how to make your own resin. I will put the link in the description below for you to check it out. For this project, I'm using this 2 ringgit cutting board from Ninso. I did cover the hole using plastic, glue, and pour some extra resin from previous project. Also, I tip around the back part to clear it from the resin drip later on using a masking tip. Okay, next we can start with the preparing of the resin. I divided the resin into 4 cups, which is for the clear resin, white color, light blue, and dark blue. Make sure you plan ahead where do you want to put the resin. Okay, let's start with the dark color first. Put a few drop first to test the color. I want this color to be very opaque so that I can see the wood grain underneath. Spread it using a wooden stick like this. Doing this can also reduce wastage because the resin will not be too thick. Smooth the line here using your wooden stick. Next, pour the light blue. I'm using the same blue as I did before, but only with a small amount, and I add a lot of white. Again, help it spread using the wooden stick to mix the color of the light blue and the dark blue. Wait a few minutes for the resin to set a little bit, and then you can start with the wave. Okay, to make the wave, you can start by pouring the clear resin first. And then you can pour your white. For the white, just a little bit will do. Pour it along the clear resin. Okay, next, the secret here is to use a hairdryer or a heat gun if you have that. I'm using a hairdryer, and it's better if you have the nozzle like this. Hold it horizontal and shoot towards the resin from the white part towards the dark blue. The air from it will create the wave pattern, and I think that the heat will create a bubble cell effect to the resin. And then you can repeat by adding more white and blue again until you are satisfied with the pattern. When you are done with that, use a blowtorch to pop out all the air bubbles. You can also use this kind of lighter. Next, all you need to do is just cover it and let it dry. So this is the outcome. As I said before, I did multiple of this resin style, and I would love to share with you all of it. So stay tuned for more of this resin video. That's it from Atatouch for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, press like, and if you love it, press subscribe. Also, press the bell button so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Assalamualaikum.